Many people dream of starting a home business in Canada, but when they begin researching, they quickly get overwhelmed. Questions start coming up like, do I need to register my business? Do I need permits? What about taxes? The good news is that starting a home business is actually simpler than most people think, if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to start a home business in Canada, from validating your idea to setting up your workspace. And if you'd like a free downloadable checklist, you can get the address for the blog in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1. Validate your business idea. First, make sure your business idea solves a real problem. Ask yourself questions like, who needs this product or service? Are people already paying for something similar? What makes your idea different? For example, if you're planning to sell handmade candles, look online to see what customers are already buying and what they wish existed. Doing this research helps confirm that there is real demand before you invest time and money. Step 2. Choose a business structure. Many home businesses in Canada start as a sole proprietorship because it's simple and inexpensive to set up. Other options include partnerships or incorporations, which may provide legal or tax advantages depending on your situation. For example, freelancers and small online sellers often begin as sole proprietors and consider incorporation later as their business grows. Step 3. Choose and register a business name. Your business name is an important part of your brand. Try to choose a name that is easy to remember, unique, and relevant to what you offer. For example, a graphic design business might choose something creative and memorable that reflects its style. If you plan to operate under a name that is different from your personal name, you will usually need to register that business name. Step 4. Register your business. Once you've chosen your name and business structure, the next step is to register your business. Depending on your situation, this may be done provincially or federally. Registration makes your business official and allows you to legally operate under your business name. In many cases, this process can be completed online in just a short time. Step 5. Check permits and licenses. Some businesses require permits or licenses before they can operate. This depends on the type of business you're running. For example, food businesses, childcare services, or certain health and personal services may require permits. Checking requirements early helps prevent delays or unexpected problems later. Quick question for you. Are you planning to start a product-based business or a service-based business? Let me know in the comments below. Step 6. Confirm local zoning rules. Some cities have zoning rules that apply to home businesses. These rules may limit things like customer visits, parking, noise, or signage. For example, a business that regularly receives customers may have different rules than an online business run entirely from a computer. It's always a good idea to check your local municipality's home business regulations before launching. Step 7. Understand your tax responsibilities. Taxes are an important part of running a business. As a home business owner, you may need to report business income, track expenses, and possibly register for GST or HST if your revenue passes the required threshold. For example, many entrepreneurs track their expenses using simple spreadsheets or bookkeeping software. Keeping organized records makes tax season much easier. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Even if you're running a small home business, it's smart to separate your personal and business finances. Opening a business bank account helps you track income and expenses, stay organized, and simplify your bookkeeping. For example, having a separate account makes it much easier to see exactly how your business is performing. Step 9. Consider business insurance. Depending on your business, insurance may be worth considering. Some common types include liability insurance, professional insurance, product insurance. For example, if you sell products online or offer professional services, insurance can help protect you from unexpected issues. While not every home business requires insurance, it can provide valuable peace of mind. Step 10. Set up your home workspace. Finally, create a workspace that helps you stay productive. Your home workspace should be organized, comfortable, and free from distractions. For example, many entrepreneurs set up a small dedicated desk or office area to keep work separate from their personal life. A good workspace can make a big difference in your productivity. Let's quickly recap the 10 steps to start a home business in Canada. Validate your business idea. Choose a business structure. Choose and register a business name. Register your business. Check permits and licenses. Confirm zoning rules. Understand taxes. Open a business bank account. Consider business insurance. And set up your home workspace. Starting a home business might seem complicated at first, but when you break it down step by step, it becomes much more manageable. If you'd like a free downloadable checklist that walks you through each step, visit the blog post at the address in the description below. And if you're interested in more tips about starting and growing a business in Canada, consider subscribing for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and wishing you success with your home business journey.